Hello, my name is Mansa
Hi,
Khanna.
myself
I am pursuing
Digital
BCA
Learning.
in
I
Data
have
Science from
completed my
Jagannath University, currently
internship
in
with
my 5th
Unified
semester.
Mentor as
I
a
have
full
recently
stack web
completed 3 months
development intern.
internship
It
with
was a
Unified
great
Mentor
learning
where I
experience.
worked on 4
I got to
projects.
work on the
First is
projects
customer
like
satisfaction
weather
prediction,
app,
second is
which
data
uses
science
API
job salaries,
integration, or student
third
teacher
is
booking
COVID-19
appointments,
clinical trials,
which
and
also
fourth
uses
is
Firebase
climate
and
change
Cloud
modeling.
Firestore.
Through these
I
4
had
projects,
such a
I
great
improved
time
my
working on
skills
this
in data
project,
cleaning,
which
pre-processing,
makes my
modeling,
knowledge
analysis,
or my
while also
theoretical knowledge
learning
worked
how
into the
to draw
practical
useful
ones.
insights.
It
This
improved
was
my
great
skills
learning
in HTML,
experience,
CSS, JavaScript,
and I am
and
thankful to
also
Unified
I
Mentor
happen to
for
learn
giving me
new
this
skills like
opportunity.
React,
Thank you.
Node, and
Hello,
Firebase
my
as
name is
well.
Mansa Khanna. I am
I had
pursuing
such a great
BCA
time.
in Data
Overall,
Science
the
from Jagannath
mentors
University,
in Unified
currently in my
Mentor are
5th
so
semester.
supportive.
I have
Any doubts
recently
can be
completed
solved
3
if
months
I message them
internship
or
with
call them
Unified
in any
Mentor
time,
where I worked on
which was
4
a great thing
projects.
which makes
First is
every
customer
task
satisfaction
easier.
prediction, second is
Thank
data
you,
science job
Unified
salaries,
Mentor, for
third
giving
is
me this
COVID-19
opportunity, and I
clinical
would
trials,
recommend to
and
all the
fourth is
students to
climate
gain
change
the work
modeling. Through these 4
experience and
projects,
real life
I
experience
improved
through
my
this.
skills in
Thank you.
data cleaning,